I'm tired, got that smile that people buy, but inside it's caught on fire. Lately I just let it burn, numb it down and never learn. Play it cool but bridges turn, into ash and twist and turn. Left on red, I call it peace, no more begging for release. Used to pour it out for love, now I barely spill for grief. Got a list of who I miss, but it's shorter every week. And the weight of what I feel only shows up when I sleep.
Feelings come, feelings go. Do they matter? I don't know. Heart too cold, soul too bold. Still I'm dancing with the low. Some days I care too much, some days I ghost my phone. Feelings matter till they don't. Yeah, I ride that wave alone.
I ain't heartless, I'm just quiet now. Used to text a novel, now I type it now. Used to let them in, now I shut it down. Now I check the vibe, then I'm out of bounds. No time for the guilt trip, I don't pack that. Try to fix hearts, but I cracked that. Put my soul in a song, they ain't clap back. Now I ghost on the world with a map at. Yeah, I bleed in beats, let the hurt go pop. Still I smile through pain like I'm TikTok hot. And the ones who left, they forgot my worth. Now I plant my piece in this twisted earth. Don't chase me, I'm fading. Somewhere deep where it's raining. I gave all, they just drained it. Now I drift while they're playing.
Feelings come, feelings go. Do they matter? I don't know. Heart too cold, soul too bold. Still I'm dancing with the low. Some days I care too much, some days I ghost my phone. Feelings matter till they don't. Yeah, I ride that wave alone.